Hi guys, this is Shaliang ASMR, but today it's not an ASMR video because I'm going to show you all my handcuffs and real handcuffs. So I'm very curious to see if they are very good and realistic as possible. So I got them on Amazon. So let's see, but before that I want to let you see my handcuffs that you see in my videos. So this one, so I got this pair in a supermarket. So these are the classic fake ones when you click this part to open up. So they are quite safe, and the other part too, just click and it opens, so you don't need a key. They are made in China, and there are problems that after some usage they are a bit damaged, so sometimes they lose this piece, but they are quite cute, I think. And they are super dirty because I use them everywhere. And then I got this one with the police costume, so police uniform. Today I got this camise, as you see, because you said, oh, you need to put camise with black pants, and thank you to my aunt to give me this one. So let me know if this is better costume, police girl costume, or not, or you prefer the other uniform. So let me know. And so these are super fake, and they open up like this too. So you just click this, and that's it. And they are made of plastic. I never used this one, and they are very small. Maybe no, almost the same, just a bit smaller. And they have some keys, but I think they are fake keys. So now it's the time to open this. So I saw very good reviews. I hope you like it. I spent around 40 euros. So, oh, thank you for everything. Okay, so it's this pair. Maybe I will put the Amazon link if you're interested to buy it. So make a big screen if you're interested. So it says double lock nickel plated steel handcuffs designed for official police use. Official, guys, it's not me saying that. So instruction: lock single, press cuff down on the wrist and rotate jaw until engaged ratchet. Jaw may be tightened as required. I didn't understand anything, but we will try. Made in Taiwan. They are heavy, so a bit scared. Yeah, they sound heavy. They sound real. Oh my god. Crazy. I don't know how much they weigh, but they weigh a lot. So you don't have the fake part to open them, and they are very big, even like this. So I will use this one not alone because I can't put that on, and it's the keys. I will use them maybe with a person. So we will see. I want to see the opening. So the opening is similar to the fake ones, so I think they are quite big for normal wheels, not for kids. So let's opening them. It says to keep one of these there, because if you don't have these, it's a problem. So you have the key, rotate, and it opens very silently. Wow, guys, what you made me buy. This is serious. So this part works. Let's try the other one. I'm dying to handcuff someone with this. So let's try on my wrist. Okay, you can go very till you can. I can move right now, so you can go a lot further than the other one. Ouch. And then pin it up. It's very easily. You have to keep rotating till moving, or you don't open it up. Okay, interesting. So let's try another time. Okay. Yeah, they hurt a bit, like if you stay like this. And then you put on the back. Yeah, they hurt because it's the weight too, maybe. Okay. I will put this here. I don't know why the part is like this. Okay, we'll put everything back. Or lose this too. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the handcuffs, if they are good or I got scammed. But for me, that I'm not an expert, even though I have the police cats. I don't know if they are the best or not, but they look very resistant, and the central part, it's heavy too. So I'll let you see everything. So this is the oldest one. This is the super fake. A lot. So let's see what the other instruction says. So it says lock double with cuff single locked on the wrist. Use tip-on key handle to depress plunger on top edge of cuff. Jaw is thus locked against travel in either direction. Unlock single. Rotate key on quarter by turning clockwise. Don't use undue pressure, but be certain to turn the key in the proper direction. Unlock double. The key must be turned in both clockwise and counterclockwise direction to operate double locked handcuffs. Rotate the key counterclockwise to release the double cock, and in opposite direction to disengage the ratchet. Don't apply undue pressure. Important: keep handcuffs single locked when not used, so that they will be ready for any emergency. Lubricate occasionally with light oil. Okay, and that's me too. Where I need to put the oil, like, I don't think I will ever need that, but maybe there, yeah. So I understand. So you just put like this, but you can go like close it. No, you can just open it. I don't understand the instruction well, but anyway, I'm very happy about it, and I hope you're happy too, guys. Thank you. Bye. See you. If you want more about me, I have a Ko-fi, I have a Quora, I have a Instagram, so follow me there too. Thank you. Bye. Bye.